Today we have to discuss about the questions of West Bengal School Service Commission for 11-12 of 2016. First question is, square of any odd integer is of the form option A 2k plus 1, option B 4k plus 1, option C 6k plus 1, option D 8k plus 1. Solution: let m equal to 2n plus minus 1 is any odd integer for all n belongs to the set of integers. Taking square both side, we get m square equal to 2n plus minus 1 whole square. This equal to 4n square plus minus 4n plus 1. This equal to 4n square plus minus n bracket close plus 1. Case 1. This is 1. Case 1. Let n equal to odd integer. Then n square and n are both odd integers. So n square plus minus n equal to even integer. Equal to 2k say, where k belongs to the set of integers. This is 2. Case 2. Let n equal to even integer, then n square and n are both even integers. So n square plus minus n equal to even integer equal to 2k say, where k belongs to the set of integer. This is 3. From 1, 2 and 3, we get m square equal to 4 into 2k plus 1 equal to 8k plus 1. So correct answer is D, option D, 8k plus 1. Question number 2. For any complex number z into z bar equal to 0 if and only if option A real z equal to 0, option B imaginary z equal to 0, option C z plus z bar equal to 0, option D z equal to 0. Solution: let z equal to x plus iy, where x and y are real numbers. So z bar equal to x minus iy, plus sign replaced by minus sign for z bar. Therefore z into z bar equal to x plus iy into x minus iy into x minus iy, this equal to x square minus I square y square, this equal to x square plus y square, since I square equal to minus 1. From the given question, z into z bar equal to 0 implies x square plus y square equal to 0, since z into z bar equal to x square plus y square, since square of two real numbers equal to 0, so this implies x square equal to 0 and y square equal to 0. This implies x equal to 0, comma y equal to 0. Therefore z equal to x plus iy equal to 0 plus I into 0 equal to 0. Therefore the correct answer is option D, z equal to 0. Question number 3. If m and n are not prime to each other, the possible number of common roots of the equation x to the power m minus 1 equal to 0, comma x to the power n minus 1 equal to 0 is option A more than 1, option B 1, option C 0, option D 2. Solution: since m and n are not prime to each other, then GCD of m comma n greater than or equal to 2. If GCD m comma n equal to 1, then m comma n are relatively prime. Since m and n are not prime to each other, so GCD m comma n greater than equal to 2. So the equation x to the power m minus 1 equal to 0, comma x to the power n minus 1 equal to 0 have common root, and the number of common roots are 2 or more. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 4. If n greater than equal to 2, then the value of 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus dot 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 plus 1 by n is option A less than or equal to root over 2n minus 3, option B greater than 2n, option C greater than 2n by n plus 1, option D less than 2n by n plus 1. Solution: we consider n unequal positive numbers 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, dot, 1 by n, and applying am greater than hm. Am means arithmetic mean, hm means harmonic mean. Therefore 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus dot plus 1 by n, this is arithmetic mean, greater than n by 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus dot plus 1 by n. This implies 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus dot plus 1 by n greater than n square, n into n equal to n square by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus n. This is a arithmetic progression. The sum of the arithmetic progression is Sn equal to n by 2 first term plus last term. So this equal to n square by n by 2, first term is 1, so 1 plus last term is n, so n. This equal to n cancel, so n 2n by n plus 1. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 5. For any two positive numbers a and x, least value of ax plus a by x is option A square, option B root over 2 into a square, option C a, option D 2a. Solution. We have ax plus a by x, this equal to root over ax whole square plus root over a by x whole square minus 2 into root over ax into root over a by x plus 2 into root over ax into a by x. This and this will be vanish. This equal to root over ax minus root over a by x whole square plus 2a. This implies ax plus a by x greater than or equal to 2 if root over ax minus root over a by x whole square equal to 0. This implies root over ax minus root over a by x equal to 0. This implies ax equal to root over a by x. This implies x equal to 1. Therefore, the least value of ax plus 1 by ax is 2a at x equal to 1. So the correct answer is D, option D, 2a. Question number 6. If a, b, c are three unequal numbers and determinant of 0, x minus a, x minus b, x plus a, 0, x minus c, x plus b, x plus c, 0 equal to 0. Then x is equal to option A, option B, 0, option C, option D, B. Solution. Let x equal to A. Let x equal to A. Then the value of the determinant 0, x is A, so x A minus A equal to 0, so this is 0. A minus B, since x equal to A plus A equal to 2A, so this is 2A, 0. A minus C, A plus B, A plus C, 0. This equal to A minus B, second bracket of this is of 2 into A plus C. This equal to 2A into A minus B into A plus C. Since A comma B comma C are three unequal numbers, so A not equal to B, not equal to C, so A minus B not equal to 0, A plus C not equal to 0 and A not equal to 0, so this equal to not 0. Since the value of the determinant not equal to 0, so x not equal to A, therefore x not equal to A. Let x equal to 0, x equal to 0. Then the value of the determinant is 0, 0 minus A, 0 minus B, 0 plus A, 0, 0 minus C, 0 plus B, 0 plus C, 0, 0 minus A minus B, A 0 minus C, B, C, 0. Since this is a skew symmetric determinant, so the value of this determinant equal to 0. Hence this determinant equal to 0, so the value of x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is the correct answer. For x equal to C, we get 0, C minus A, C minus B, C plus A, 0, 0. This is not equal to 0, so x not equal to C, therefore x not equal to C. Similarly we can find x not equal to B, so the correct answer is option B. Question number 7. If I be the 2 cross 2 identity matrix and A equal to matrix 2 minus 1 2, then A square is equal to option A 4A minus 3I, option B 3A minus 4I, option C A minus I, option D A plus I. Solution. The characteristic equation of the matrix A is A minus lambda I determinant equal to 0 implies 2 minus lambda minus 1 minus 1 2 minus lambda. We subtract lambda I from A, so we get this. So determinant this equal to 0 implies 2 minus lambda whole square minus 1 into minus 1 1 equal to 0. This implies 4 minus 4 lambda plus lambda square minus 1 equal to 0. This implies lambda square equal to 4 lambda minus 3. We know by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. So we can replace lambda by A. Therefore, by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, A square equal to 4A minus 3I. So option A, 4A minus 3I is the correct answer. Question number 8. If A equal to matrix alpha 0 1 1 and B equal to 1 0 5 1 and A square equal to B, then the value of alpha is option A 1, option B minus 1, option C 4, option D none. Solution. Let alpha equal to 1, then we get A equal to 1 0 1 1, then A square equal to 1 1 0 1 into 1 0 1 1. This equal to matrix 1 into 1 0 into 1 0. So this is 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, this is 0. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 2. 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1, so 1. This not equal to B, because B equal to 1 0 5 1, so A square not equal to B, so alpha not equal to 1. Let alpha equal to minus 1, then A equal to minus 1 0 1 1. A square equal to minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 1 1. This equal to minus plus 1 0 1 0 0 minus 1 plus 1, this is 0, 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1, this is 1. This not equal to B, A square not equal to B, so alpha not equal to minus 1, therefore alpha not equal to minus 1. Let alpha equal to 4, then A equal to 4 0 1 1 and alpha square equal to 4011 into 4011 equal to 4 plus 0 into 1 16, 4 into 0 plus 0 into 1, this is 0, 1 into 4 plus 1 into 1 5, 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1 1, this not equal to b, so we can say that alpha not equal to 4. Hence answer D is the correct answer. Hence option D is the correct answer. আজকে এই পর্যন্তই থাক, আবার পরবর্তী প্রশ্নগুলো নিয়ে আগামী ভিডিওতে দেখা হবে। যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগে অবশ্যই বন্ধুদের মাঝে শেয়ার করুন, এই ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে তারাও উপকার পেতে পারে। ধন্যবাদ।